To start, we have the parent component script setup. Here, we're importing the ref function from the Vue package, which allows us to create a piece of reactive state. We're also importing child component, which is a component that we'll use to demonstrate passing reactive state as props. We then declare a reactive state variable called parent state using ref and assign it a string. This is parent data. Moving on to the template section of our parent component, we have a single instance of child component. Notice the colon before prop state. This signifies that we are binding a dynamic property. We pass parent state as a prop to child component, ensuring that the child has access to the reactive state of the parent. Now let's look at the child component. Inside the script tag, we declare that this component expects to receive a prop. We're using the props option to define prop state as a string type. The name prop state matches the name we used in the parent component when passing down the reactive state. In the child components template, we have a div wrapper containing a paragraph tag. This paragraph tag interpolates prop state, which means it will display the reactive data passed from the parent component. Because prop state is a reactive reference, any changes made to the parent state will automatically be reflected here in the child component.